Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this summer hat. This hat is really easy to make. As you can see, it only uses one stitch, which is single crochet, and the border also gives it a finished look. Then I made this flower to decorate the hat, to give it a little bit color. We're going to start from the top of the hat, increasing all the way. I'm going to show you how later in the video. Then stop increasing for the edge. For this part, we're going to start increasing again. And we're going to finish this hat with the border. Now, if this is your first time watching my video, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more quality content like this. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be using double strands, which is going to make the hat more stiff, but feel free to use one strand if you want. And I'm also using a 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with the magic ring. And into this loop, we're going to work 7 single crochets. To make a single crochet, insert hook into the ring, pull up a loop. Now you should have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both of them. That's 1 single crochet. Now we're going to go ahead and make 6 more single crochets into this loop. So that's round 1, 7 single crochets. Pull this end tight to close the loop. For the next round, we're going to go straight into the first single crochet and work 2 single crochets in this stitch. So we turn 1 stitch into 2 stitches. That's 1 increase. And I'm going to mark the first stitch. From now on, I'm going to mark the first stitch of every round, so we don't lose track. Then into the next stitch, 2 single crochets again. We're going to go ahead and put 2 single crochets into every stitch of this round. So we should have 14 stitches for this round. Take off the stitch marker. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Put the stitch marker back on. 2 single crochets into the next stitch. That's the pattern for this row. So repeat 1, 2, meaning 1 single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochets into the very next. So you're going to work like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, to finish this round. We should have 21 stitches for this round. Round 4, we're going to work 1, 1, 2. So that's 1 single crochet into the first stitch, one into the next stitch, then 2 single crochets into the next stitch, and repeat this pattern 1, 1, 2. So go ahead and finish this round. We should have 28 stitches for this round. For the next round, we work 1, 1, 1, 2. So that's 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet. So that's 1 single crochet into the first 3 stitches and 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Then repeat this pattern to finish this round. We should have 35 stitches for this round. You probably see the pattern here. Next round's gonna be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. That means 1 single crochet into 4 stitches followed by an increase. And just repeat that. And the very next round is gonna be 1 single crochet into 5 stitches and an increase. And the next round's gonna be 1 single crochet in 6 stitches and an increase. Hopefully you see the pattern here. So I'm gonna continue working like this until I reach round 12. The pattern for that round's gonna be 1 single crochet in 10 stitches followed by an increase. Now my little piece is 16 centimeters in diameter. That's about 6.5 inches. Next round, I'm gonna stop increasing. You might want the top of this hat to be bigger, but just keep in mind that when you finish this hat, the top's gonna be 4 centimeters wider than it is right now. And I'm talking 4 centimeters in diameter. If you want a slightly bigger size, you're gonna do 1 single crochet in 12 stitches with 1 increase. And a bigger one's gonna be 1 single crochet in 14 stitches with 1 increase. So we're gonna make sure before the increase, we do an even number of stitches. Just to clear things up, for a smaller size than this one, you're gonna stop increasing at 1 single crochet in 8 stitches followed by 1 increase. So once we stop increasing, we're gonna work 15 rows of regular single crochets. That's 1 single crochet into every stitch of that round without increasing or decreasing. So I've worked 15 rounds here. I kept the stitch marker on because it's easier to count how many rounds I've done that way. For the next part, we're gonna start increasing again. I'm gonna put 1 single crochet in the first 11 stitches, followed by an increase. So remember that even number I was talking about? For me, it's 10. So I'm gonna work 10 plus 1 single crochets, followed by an increase. If your even number is 12, you're gonna put 1 single crochet in the first 13 stitches. If you're working a smaller size, say the number is 8, you're gonna work 1 single crochet in the first 9 stitches, followed by an increase. So that pattern is what you're gonna repeat for this round. For the next round, the pattern's gonna be 1 single crochet in 12 stitches with an increase, but we don't want to always increase at the same spot, we're gonna move our increase spot several stitches away from the increase point of the last round. It's alright if it's confusing because I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do next. For the last round, I did 1 single crochet in 11 stitches with an increase. I'm gonna take that number, -1, then divide it by 2. So 11 minus 1, that's 10, divided by 2, 5. So the next increasing round, I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in the first 5 stitches, followed by an increase. And then start the normal increasing pattern for this round, which is 1 single crochet in 12 stitches with 1 increase. And repeat this all the way till the end. I'm running out of yarn, so I'm taking this finished product, which is an infinite scarf that I made. Anyway, the next round, which is round 3, put 1 single crochet in 13 stitches, followed by an increase. Round 4, 1 single crochet in the first 6 stitches, followed by an increase, and then start a normal pattern, which is 1 single crochet in 14 stitches with 1 increase. And then the next round, start putting 1 single crochet in 15 stitches with 1 increase. I'm sure you see the pattern now. If you're doing a different size, you can adjust the stitch number accordingly. So that's our increasing pattern of this section. I'm gonna do a total of 14 rounds, but of course you can do more or less following the same pattern. Alright, so I'm at my last round. The pattern is 1 single crochet in the first 11 stitches, followed by 1 increase, and then repeat the regular increasing pattern, which is 1 single crochet in 24 stitches with 1 increase. So that's the last round of the increasing pattern. Next, we're gonna do one last round for the border. So this round, we're gonna do reverse single crochets. That's basically single crochets in the reverse direction. So chain 1 into the very last single crochet we did just now, work a single crochet, then into the stitch to its right, put 1 more single crochet, then we're just gonna continue putting 1 single crochet in every stitch in this direction. When you've done that all the way around, take off the hook, insert into the first single crochet, pull the loop through, and fasten off. And there you have it. That's our summer hat done. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the flower to decorate this hat. I'll put a link at the end of this screen as well as in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.